Why is it so hard? I'm sure all of us have asked this question many times. But instead of asking why, we should be asking what is the solution. Assalamu alaikum and a very good day. I bid to the honorable judges, distinguished timekeeper, and my fellow friends. My name is Amir Rahan from class 1 Takoin, and today I want to talk to you about a shared blueprint for peace and prosperity, the 17 Sustainable Development Goals, or SDGs. These goals are an urgent call for all countries to end poverty and protect our planet. While all 17 are important, today I want to talk about one that feels most urgent every time we step outside. SDG 13, Climate Action. We are living in a time of weird weather. Intense heat followed by sudden heavy rain. That isn't bad luck. That is climate change. Climate change is long-term shifts in temperature and weather patterns, mainly driven by human activities, such as burning fossil fuels that release harmful gases into the atmosphere called greenhouse gases. According to the United Nations, human-induced climate change have reached alarming new levels in 2024, with global temperatures temporarily exceeding the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold. In fact, 2024 was basically the hottest year in 175 years. This crisis isn't just about temperature, it's about people. Over the past decade, disasters have affected an average of 124 million people every year. That's why SDG 13 calls for an urgent yet transformative action to reduce these emissions. What can we do to help? It starts with us. Individually, we can actually practice energy efficiency, such as switching to LED lights and being mindful of our air conditioning use. We can also travel sustainably, such as walking, cycling, or using public transport. We should also practice the 4 R's: reduce, reuse, repair, and recycle. Even our diets matter, such as eating less dairy and meat while consuming more local produce. All of these actions contribute to a goal called net zero. Imagine the atmosphere like a bathtub. If the tap is running, that represents emissions. To stop the water from overflowing, we must open the drain. That represents taking away carbon at the same rate the water comes in. To stop a climate catastrophe from happening, we must achieve net zero by 2050. But we cannot wait for 2050. Every fraction of a degree matters in preventing irreplaceable damage to our planet. Thank you for listening. Let's take action today so we can have a cooler tomorrow. That's all from me. Bye!